Hi everyone, it's Lisa here, your National Educator for Matis South Africa, and today's tutorial is all about toning. Why do we tone? What are the benefits of toning? And what product have I chosen to demonstrate to you today? So first of all, why do we tone? Why is toning important? Toning is really important for three main reasons, and one of the main reasons is because it allows for better penetration of further product. So we spray our toner onto the surface of the skin, water particles are then on the skin, and our moisturizers and our serums adhere to the water particle and they allow for better penetration. Second of all, an important reason for toning is that our cleansers sometimes get left, or residue of our cleansers get left on the surface of the skin. And by wiping the skin and spraying our toner, it helps to remove any last residue. And then last and importantly, it helps to constrict the pores. So after cleansing, the pores are open. Once we have toned, the pores are going to constrict and they're going to close. And this is going to prevent any further pollutants or makeup or dust or dirt or grime from penetrating the skin. So what product have I decided to show you and demonstrate today? And that is Matis's Sensi-Demak toner. Now, I've chosen Sensi-Demak toner because it's one of my favorite. First of all, I love the fragrance. And second of all, what I really like about it is the fact that it is so cooling on the skin. It is anti-inflammatory, it calms down the skin. And let's be honest, all of our skins get irritated. So it's a really nice, calming, cooling, soothing toner to use. You use it twice a day and in two simple methods. You can either choose to do the spray method where you pick it up and you spray, or alternatively, you can spray it onto a cotton pad and you can do the wiping method of toning. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more.